Why do you believe hard assets like multifamily provide a more reliable foundation for financial control?
I think really it's just from a lack of knowledge, a lack of education. And I would say a lack of education drives the focus just where most of the wealth is for most individuals working class that is allocated to qualified plans, which case IRAs that are sponsored by an employer, in which you're very limited in the assets that you can invest that for the proceeds of that 401k into, which is primarily in stocks and bonds. And a lot of that is kind of the driving factor for that. And so for most people, they're not educated on alternative investments. They don't have the knowledge on how to find great operators, how to find great deals to invest directly and buy those hard assets themselves. And so there's an education piece. And then on top of that, a lot of the institutional deals are only reserved for accredited investors, unfortunately, that meet the net worth requirement of having at least $1 million net worth, or a single individual with an income over the last 2 years of 200,000, or a couple with 300,000 of annual income over the last 2 years. And so there are some barriers to prevent people from being able to get more exposure there. But I think once it goes back to really the education and understanding how you can bring real assets into your portfolio